Finn has 12 hours to sell his inventory, or it rots into a pile of debt. At the docks, his tables are piled with silver bass, his gold, but it has a ticking clock. If they aren't sold by sunset, they can no longer be sold. They would become a liability he must pay to haul away. Across the square, Bram the stonecutter has a granite statue that has sat in his shop for 3 years. He isn't panicking. He hasn't lowered his price. He will wait 3 more years for the right duke to buy it. Finn and Bram are in the same market, but they are playing 2 different games. In economics, this is called inventory turnover. This is the measurement of how many times a business sells and replaces its stock over a specific period. A high turnover means you sell goods quickly. A low turnover means your stock sits on the shelf. We see this in modern business every day. A grocery store is like Finn the fishmonger. They have high turnover, making small profits on thousands of items like milk and bread. They must move them fast before they spoil. If a gallon of milk sits for a month, the store loses money. A luxury developer is like Bram the stonecutter. They have low turnover. They might only sell a few units a year, but the profit on each sale is massive. They don't mind the wait because their product doesn't rot, and the high margin covers the holding cost. The danger is when a business confuses its identity. If a grocer has the turnover of a stonecutter, they go bankrupt. If a stonecutter tries to move volume like a fishmonger, they devalue their craft. What did we learn from the fish and the stone? Speed is a strategy. High turnover reduces the risk of products becoming worthless. The cost of waiting. Low turnover allows for higher prices, but you need the cash to survive the gaps between sales. Know your product. Business health is not just about what you sell, but how fast you turn stock back into cash. See you in the next story.